Hello, me Nicky Nico, hanging out with Hello Kitty. Well, have I got something to show you. Check that out. Now this is just a wow bell. This is a beauty. It tells us, the kanji here tells us now, I found it quite difficult to get a shot of it because it glares so much. It's just awesome. Look at this. It's just mega awesome. That's even more awesome than awesome. The kanji itself tells us that it's handmade, and the direct translation is a gold inlaid, which it would be gold plated. So it's gold plated, and it's an absolute beauty. Very rare. Getting a gold one, very rare. So it's bronze, Japanese temple bell, bronze Buddhist, and it's gold plated. Now you find that throughout all the years of its use, you'll find that it would have been struck on this side at a constant for years and years and years, and it started to wear the plating itself. But it's just a magnificent piece indeed. And I presume, along with this, you will receive, let's see, real deal incense. This is exactly the same sort of stuff you'll find at temples and shrines. That's made from the matsu tree and smells awesome. These beads, all these fold out Buddhist prayer books. There's quite a number. I think that's an old fan. We can have that too. Some of them are really old. Some of them are quite new, relatively speaking. But they're magnificent. They're just really beautiful. So you receive all of these and the bell. And I don't have a correct striker for it. So I'm just going to use this plastic hammer for now. Now I would say that, for now I'm going to use that, but I would say a round piece of wood, bit of kimono material. Maybe I could throw in some kimono material. I've certainly got enough of it. I don't want to cut that up, it's too good. I'll probably find something. Right then. Now I know what you want me to do. Yeah, just shut up and strike it. Now, this is a wow bell. Check this out. Impressed? See, I only just lightly struck it. Just fantastic. I really should keep it for myself. It's just wow. I've got to do that again. See if I can get a right strike on it. Plastic hammer. So you want to strike up kind of around near the rim. They've been striking there. So with something, a cushioned round piece, you could certainly make something like that up yourself. I get them every now and again. I just didn't have any. But this is just wow. Alright, so I'll put make me an offer on it. The offer will have to be really good, obviously. So yeah, you might want to get onto this one. Get out your checkbook this time, because this is wow. Alright, that's that. Another quick look over it. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And there we are. That's kind of a double hit. I really shouldn't be using a plastic hammer. There we go. Just brilliant. Alright. that's that.